To use shared libraries in Whiteboard.Fi, log in to your premium account. In the Teacher dashboard, click on the Library tab. The Library tab will open, showing any whiteboards you have currently saved. Any whiteboards saved in Whiteboard.Fi can be saved, shared, and reused. You can also load a shared whiteboard into your library. You may want to create a whiteboard in advance of a session which you can save to your library and use later. To do this, click on Create New Saved Whiteboard. Give your whiteboard a name, and then populate it with the resources that you want to use. In this instance, I'm creating a resource about Lady Macbeth. I'm inserting an image, and then I'm going to add some text in too. Once finished, click Save Whiteboard, and this will be saved into your library. Once it is saved, you can choose to create a copy of it. You can delete it, or share your whiteboard to another teacher, for instance. To do this, click Share Whiteboard. This will generate a code that you can just copy and then give to your other collaborator. Adding a shared whiteboard is easy in the library page. Just go to Load Shared Whiteboard and add the code. The whiteboard will then be added to your library of pages you can use. The library is also accessible in a live session, where you can click on the Library tab and add a page from your library, load a shared whiteboard with a whiteboard code, or you can save the current page you've been working on into your library.